Last video went crazy and I get it. You don't want another lecture. You want real useful study tricks. So here's part 2. 4 advanced and effective techniques Harvard-level learners use but no one teaches. Number 4 feels like cheating, but it works more than you realize. Let's get started to better our brains. Number 1, the clarity method. Most people set goals like this. I want to be fit. I want to study more. Cool, but way too vague. Here's the fix. Make the goal crystal clear. Add numbers, add timelines, add actions. I want to be fit becomes lose 10 kilograms in 3 months by running 5 days a week. I want to study more becomes study math for 45 minutes every day at 7 p.m. Harvard-level learners don't just set goals. They clarify them until there's zero confusion. Clarity kills procrastination. You know what to do and when to do it. 2, the if-then method. Distractions, bad habits. This is how you pre-program your brain. If I scroll during study time, then I'll put my phone in another room. If I feel tired, then I'll drink water and stretch. It's called implementation intention. Studies show it triples your chances of following through. Top students don't rely on motivation. They plan their reactions before the problem shows up. 3, study like you're on camera. Pretend someone's filming you. Seriously. Sit up, talk out loud, explain things. No slouching, no distractions. It creates accountability, even if it's fake. Your brain performs better when it feels watched. Bonus. This also works great if you record yourself explaining topics. You'll retain more and cringe less over time. 4, the WHOOP method. This one, Harvard students use it for exams, goals, everything. WHOOP stands for wish, outcome, obstacle, plan. Wish, I want to finish this chapter. Outcome, I'll feel confident for the test. Obstacle, I'll probably procrastinate. Plan, when I feel like delaying, I'll do just 5 minutes. It's goal setting with built-in reality checks. Feels like hacking your future self. You don't need to change your whole life. Just swap in one better habit. Try the clarity method or WHOOP your next goal. See what happens. If it helped, then like the video, comment your favorite one. And if you want a part 3, you already know what to do. Subscribe. We're building better brains, one video at a time.